Do you really know why some kids hate going to school? Most people think it's because they're lazy or just want to play, but that's far from the truth. There are 4 hidden reasons most parents overlook, especially the last one. First, anxiety and stress. Many children wake up with stomach aches or headaches, not because they're sick, but because their bodies are showing the weight of constant pressure. School feels like a place of fear instead of safety. Second, lack of belonging. Some kids aren't bullied, but they still feel invisible. They sit in classrooms surrounded by people yet feel completely alone. That quiet isolation makes every school day unbearable. Third, irrelevant lessons. When a child constantly wonders, why do I need this? Motivation disappears. If subjects don't connect with real life, even smart students lose interest, and school becomes an empty routine. Fourth, the environment itself. Harsh lighting, noisy hallways, and overcrowded classrooms drain their energy before learning even starts. So, if your child hates school, don't assume it's laziness. Ask deeper questions, because behind every complaint is a story waiting to be heard.